Okay, I just wanted to check if my both screens are currently working or not. Give me some time. Okay, I have called. Okay. Excellent. Okay. So now I'm not able to see the stream here, but let's see if in the analytics we have both screens or not, and then we can continue ahead of our topic, today's topic, which is data binding. Data binding. I'll copy this one and create new code share. Codeshare.io. Code share. Okay. Then paste it here. Okay. Now it's taking some time. I don't know. Analytics. Okay. Just wanted to confirm. Okay, no view, no view. But these are both of private streams. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's live, I guess. No view, zero view. I'm watching. Yes. And vertical view. Yeah, it is also working. But why it is showing me an error? I don't know. Okay, so let's move ahead to our topic, which is data binding and mm, interpolation, property binding, event binding, and two-way data binding. Okay, these are the topics today. We are going to understand, we are going to discuss around these topics. So, just a minute, I need to recheck if anything is pending from my side. Yeah. More. Okay. I'm not sure about these are the publics or public currently or not. Okay. Okay, don't know about that. Let's continue. Let's start. Okay. So data binding. This first topic we are going to discuss today, but I don't know about. To see, these are the learning Angular lectures. So we are not going to understand from scratch, or we are not going. We don't have. First of all, we don't have any understanding around the things that uh, Angular do or Angular have. But we have to start from scratch and learn one by one. Okay, I'm going to cut it out everything. We are not going to show it down. So why it is not showing me? I don't know. Okay, let it be. We have to end the stream afterwards. Cut it out and data binding. Okay, let's open the chat GPT. Let's open the chat GPT. Yeah. So with the help of AI, we are going to understand and learn a lot of things about any technology, and we are going to understand about see if I don't have that much understanding about the Angular. I don't have the front end languages knowledge, but we have to go through all the coding parts of front end, back end, or any other languages, and we have to switch every time. So we have so that's why it is the first approach that I'm taking over to just understanding the things that I'm currently working. Yeah, data binding, VVMP, it is the important topic. So that's why we are working on it, data binding in Angular. So we can see all the things like data binding include, I don't know, okay, got this one, got it, Angular. Okay, it will give us a result, but okay, every time my ChatGPT give me this trouble. Angular. Okay, I don't know why it is not showing me the content that I'm working on. Okay, it's shown. Yeah, it is shown in the main channel page, but not in anywhere else. Okay, a studio. Okay, let it be. Data binding in Angular, a mechanism that synchronizes the data automatically between the components, business logic, and the user interface. Just first of all, I need to take my other Chrome browser. So in that Chrome browser, we have a Figma design. On that Figma design, we are going to work. So close it, and we have history, uh, 7 tabs. Yeah, okay. So we have all the things that are related to Angular. We have Figma design that we are working on until now, that we have worked. So if we want to learn about the Angular, and we are creating the nodes or mind maps. So okay. What is the problem now? Okay, it will be finding the Figma design also. That one, Figma. Okay, my internet is much lower today than it usually is. So that's why. Okay, what is the issue here? What is the issue here? Okay, continue the football. this is the windows that we are looking for. Yeah, we have form also that we have generated yesterday. If you don't watch my previous videos, then please watch that because um, if you learn like this with me, then pace of learning between will be good. Okay, I'm not saying that the pace because I'm working and with that I'm creating the videos, all the concept in the uh, same week. Okay, Angular, if you are a pro person in Angular, then you don't need that much time, or you don't need much time to switch between the technologies or different technology. But if you are a backend guy and then you have to learn the Angular, then it will take some time. Okay, so that's why we both are working like how we are creating the mind maps to understand the thing, to understand the concepts, and moving forward to just make the things easier to us. Okay, these are the mind maps that we have created until now. So for these, if you want these, then I'll place the screenshots also. So in our ongoing live streams, we have discussed around these topics, and because of these topics, we have covered a lot of things in Angular, basic things, but we have covered the things or the important things in the Angular. Okay, so let's continue to that pace and move ahead to the data binding. Okay, we have components, we have completed these parts, and now we are moving ahead to data binding. Okay, this data binding is very important suggestion. Okay, he has a lot of experience in Angular, and he's working professionally in Angular for 2 or 3 years. Okay, so for this much experience, he's you can say he's handling the 9 years of pro level experience older person, and because of that, I'm taking my syllabus from him and understanding the concepts that he suggests me to. So let's start with data binding. So let's understand what is data binding and let's discuss around it. Okay, VIMP, we don't need it. Uh, Sorry for that. Yeah, data binding and yeah. Okay, interpolation. Okay, we have how many items can you relate to it? Okay, if you are studying data binding, Angular architecture component, okay. Interpolation, property binding, event binding, two-way data binding, attribute binding, class binding, style binding. Okay, these are the things that we are going to discuss. But event binding we don't have event binding in our yeah, okay, we have event binding, two-way data binding also we have. So these topics we are going to cover today, and attribute binding, class binding, and style binding. These are important topics also, but my friend doesn't suggest these topics, so that's why we are going to skip it. If we need it, then we are going to cover it. If it is needed, we are creating our project. Okay, now we are going to create our project live also while going ahead. All right. So let's continue with this topic. Let's discuss around it. Okay. So interpolation. So we also have interpolation concept in data binding. Components we have understood. The template we know. Components, directives, data binding. Okay, not working that correctly. It is streaming. My live stream is good, but I don't know about what is happening to my surfing. Sorry. Data binding. Okay, data binding essentials. Connect component state and template make markup. Okay, connect component state and template markup. Okay, we are going to add one heading, data data binding. Don't need it. Just make it large. No, don't make it large. How we have it. Okay, and then make it understand the concepts clearly. And if you go through these concepts, then you can understand the concepts easily. Okay, so let's move ahead and continue with our topic, which is data binding. So in that data binding, we have first thing is interpolation, but we also need to understand what is data binding. So in the chat GPT, we have its definition. So the data binding in Angular is the mechanism that connect data in the component TypeScript, okay, with the view template. It keeps the UI and application data synchronized automatically. Okay, data binding in Angular is the mechanism that connect data in the component or TypeScript with the view in the template. Okay, copy this. So we have to add this in our mind map. Okay, it is not heading whether it's a normal thing, and make it small, don't make it large. Okay, alright, this is not the format that we're looking for. Simple format, yeah. Okay, this is the definition for it. Data in the component or TypeScript. Okay, we are phrasing it like a component. If it's this is file is nothing but TypeScript file, and we are stating it as a component. So for that, we have a definition. If in a component or TS file, with if we send the data or get the data from the TS file to HTML view, then it is nothing but data binding between HTML and TypeScript file. So that's the definition. What they added it again, it keeps the UI and application data synchronized automatically. Okay, okay, we don't need it because it is going to sync up the data with the application and what UI and application. Okay, together. Yes, that is all we needed. All right, moving ahead. So the first thing is interpolation. Interpolation. Use will display the component data inside HTML. Okay, we don't need only this information. We need more information around it. Okay, so for that we are going to go to the chat GPT again and we're going to search for it with example. All right, interpolation string binding with definition and live example. Okay. So okay, it is coming correctly, but views are increasing like yesterday only. Okay, let's keep it away and focus on our issue that we are facing, which is not getting the concepts. Okay, definition. The interpolation. We have our Figma, and in that Figma we are going to add this interpolation. So inside this topic we have interpolation. Okay, What is string interpolation? Interpolation is a type of data binding in Angular used to display data from the component to the HTML view template. Okay, we don't have much difference between the definitions. So it is data binding between view template to HTML. Means it is one-way data binding. Okay, it is one-way data binding from component to view. Okay, it is important thing that we have to add here. Okay, it's interpolation. Interpolation. It is the one-way data binding from component to view. Okay, it is one-way data binding, and interpolation used to display the component data inside HTML. Okay, in the HTML we are going to open and close the curly braces, two curly braces. Okay, we can directly execute that, but for now we are going to use it like this. Okay, in the component.ts we have title. Okay, export class app component, and in that we have